Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on diagnosing and fixing weight failure issues with your Thermomix TM5. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps, tools, and techniques to ensure your appliance functions optimally. Step 1. Gather your tools. To start, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, a multimeter for testing electrical components, protective gloves to ensure safety. Step 2. Unplug the device. Before you begin any repairs, always make sure to unplug your Thermomix TM5. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical hazards. Step 3. Access the inner components. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the device. Carefully lift the cover to expose the internal components. Step 4. Inspect the weight sensor. Locate the weight sensor, which is usually situated near the base. Check for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. If you notice any issues, this could be the source of your weight failure. Step 5. Clean internal parts. Using a soft cloth, gently clean around the weight sensor and other internal components. Dust and debris can often cause malfunctions. Be cautious not to disturb any wiring. Step 6. Test electrical connections. With your multimeter, check the connections to the weight sensor for continuity. If the readings are inconsistent, you may need to replace the sensor. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can provide you with the expertise needed to resolve this issue efficiently. Step 7. Reassemble the device. Once you have completed your inspection and cleaning, carefully reassemble your device. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any loose components during operation. Step 8. Test the Thermomix TM5. Plug the device back in and conduct a test run. Weigh a known item to see if the weight displays correctly. If the problem persists, you might need further assistance. If you're still encountering issues, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This means no calls, no travel hassles. Simply schedule a time for us to come by, and we'll handle the rest. Step 9. Quote before repair. Before any extensive repairs, we provide a quote so you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your appliance. In conclusion, maintaining your Thermomix TM5 can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Follow these steps to ensure your appliance continues to serve you well. Always remember, we're here to help with professional services tailored to your needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.